Open your preferred web browser. In the browser's address bar, type Eclipse download and press enter to access the Eclipse official website. On the Eclipse website's main page, locate and click on the download option. You will be directed to the Eclipse Downloads page. Look for the section that corresponds to your operating system. In this case, click on the Windows option since you are using Windows. On the Windows Downloads section, you should see various download options. Choose the one labeled Eclipse Guide for Java developers and click on the download button next to it. A pop-up window or prompt may appear asking you to save the file. Choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save the downloaded file and then click Save. Wait for the download to complete. You can track the progress of the download in your browser. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded file. It will have an exe extension, indicating that it is an executable file. Double-click on the downloaded exe file to launch the Eclipse installer. Follow as shown in video. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded file. It will have an exe extension, indicating that it is an executable file. Double-click on the downloaded exe file to launch the Eclipse installer. The installer will guide you through the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose an installation location, configure settings, and complete the installation. Follow as shown in the video. After the installation is complete, launch Eclipse or locate the Eclipse icon on your desktop or in your Start menu, and double-click it to launch Eclipse. First, I will create my workspace in eDrive. Now that you have Eclipse installed, let's proceed to creating a sample program. Once Eclipse is open, you'll be prompted to select a workspace. You can choose the default workspace or specify a different location. In the Eclipse interface, you'll see a menu bar at the top. Click on File in the menu bar and select New greater than Java Project, or follow as shown in the video. In the New Java Project dialog, enter a name for your project, for example, Hello First Program. Leave the other settings as default and click Finish. In the Package Explorer, right-click on the src folder within your newly created project, go to New Greater Than Class, and write package name Musahid's Dev Journey. In the New Java Class dialog, enter First Program as the name of the class. Check the box next to Public Static Void Main to create a main method. Click Finish, or follow as shown in the video. In the editor window that opens, you can now type your sample program. Package com, Musahid's Dev Journey, Public Class First Program, Public Static Void Main, System.out.println. After typing the program, save the file by clicking on the disk icon in the toolbar or pressing Ctrl+S. To run the program, right-click within the editor window, select Run as greater than Java application. You should see the output Hello World in the console area at the bottom of the Eclipse window. Congratulations!